Hello students of Standard 8. Welcome to DAV Mall Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Mishra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same unit of your My English Reader Sports. And in this we will read today the Olympic Games. Dear students, in our previous sections we have learned about Special Olympics as well as sportsmanship. In this section, let us read about the biggest event in the world of sports, the Olympic Games. Dear students, I think you all know what are Olympic Games. Let us know its history. According to tradition, the Olympic Games began in Greece first. Many Greek tribes and cities used to organize religious festivals every 4 years to please their gods. Athletes formed an important part as these festivals. Over a period of time, the Olympic Games, which honored Zeus, the king of gods, became the most important athletic event. So, Olympic Games have a very long history. It started in Greece, and at that time, they used to honor their gods with playing games. The first recorded Olympic contest took place in the Stadium of Olympia in 1776 BC. At first, the games occurred only one day and consisted of a single event, and that was a foot race of about 180 meters. But later, it was extended up to 5 days and more events were included in it. The pentathlon means 5 events, which consisted of 5 events are the long jump, discus throw, javelin throw, a sprint and wrestling. Sprint means the race for a short distance. Was added to the competition in 1708 BC. Boxing also became a part of game in 688 BC, and the four-horse chariot race was added in 690 BC. For many years, the Olympics were meant exclusively for male contestants and male spectators. Only male contestants can take part, and only male spectators can watch the Olympics. The Olympics were held every 4 years. The 4 year period between two successive Olympic Games was called an Olympiad. The Olympics were essentially religious affairs for the people traveling to and from Olympia. To the Greeks, it was an important to win well, and any unfair practice was punished by a fine. Gradually, the games lost their reputation, especially in 100 BC when the Romans conquered Greece and the contestant became interested only in winning money. Finally, in AD 393, the Olympic Games were abolished by Emperor Theodosius because of the decline of their quality. No Olympics were held for more than 1500 years. An earthquake destroyed the stadium of Olympia in AD 500, and the landslide later buried the ruins beneath about 20 feet of soil. Happily, the memory and ideals of the Greek Olympics organization did not crumble with the ruins of Olympia. In 1875, a group of German archaeologists excavated the site and discovered the ruins of the Olympia complex. The discovery gave Baron Pierre de Coubertin, a French educator, the idea of organizing a modern international Olympics. Coubertin believed that athletics play an important part in forming a person's character. He also thought that in international sports, competition would promote world peace. In 1894, Coubertin presented his idea to an international meeting on sports. The group agreed to organize the games and form the International Olympic Committee. 2 years later, that is in 1896, the first modern Olympic Games took place with great glamour in Athens, Greece, in the Panathenaic Stadium, which was rebuilt by the Greeks in marble from the 2,000 years old ruins with a capacity of 70,000 spectators. Women first competed in the modern Olympics in 1900. The Olympic Games consisted of Summer Games and the Winter Games. The Summer Games are held in a major city, whereas the Winter Games were held in winter resort. Both the games last 16 days. The Olympics have normally been held every 4 years, with both the Summer Games and Winter Games taking place in the same year. Beginning with 1994, the Summer Games and Winter Games were scheduled to occur on 4 year cycles, 2 years apart. For example, the Summer Games were scheduled for 1996 and 2000, and Winter Games for 1998 and 2002. Colorful ceremonies combined with athletic competitions to create the special feeling of excitement that surrounds the Olympics. The opening ceremony is one of the most colorful pageant. Pageant means a colorful and splendid show to be seen anywhere. Greek athletes are the first to march into the stadium in honor of the original Olympic held in an ancient Greece. Other athletes follow in alphabetical order, determined by the spelling of the name of their nation in the language of the host country. The athletes of the host country enter the stadium last. The head of the state of the host country declares the games open. The Olympic flag is raised, trumpets play, and cannons blow in salute. Hundreds of doves are released in the air as a symbol of peace. The most dramatic moment of the opening ceremony is the lighting of Olympic flame. The altar of Olympic flame is in Olympia, Greece. The flame is lighted with the convergence of sunlight onto a metal reflector at the altar in the temple of Hera 4 weeks before the start of the games. This process is a part of ritual that includes the prayer to Apollo the sun god. The high priestess enters the stadium holding the lit torch, which she hands over to the first runner in order to start its journey across the countries. Thousands of runners take part in the journey. They represent Greece and each country that lies between Greece and the host nation. Planes and ships transport the torch across mountains and seas. The final runner carries the torch into the stadium, circles the track, and lights the opening Olympic flame. The flame is kept burning until the end of the games. This custom has started in 1936. In the opening ceremony, the words of Baron Ferry de Coubertin are displayed on the scoreboard. The important thing in the Olympic game is not winning but taking part. The essential thing in life is not conquering but flying well. The Olympic symbols consist of five interlocking rings that represent the continents of Africa, Asia, Australia, Europe, and North and South America. The rings are black, blue, green, red, and yellow. The flag of every nation competing in the games has at least one of these colors. The Olympic motto is Situs Altius Fortius, means faster, higher, and stronger. Dear students, we have just read the extract. Each of these sentences given below contains a factual error. Identify the error and write the correct answer in the space. Dear students, here are some questions for you to solve. Answer the following questions. Some hot questions are also there. A list of words from the passage. The Olympic game is given below, but the words are misspelled. Correct the spelling and write the meaning in the space. India's performance in the Olympics has always generated debate. Although our performance has improved over the years, much more needs to be achieved. Given below is a list of Indian athletes who have achieved success in the Olympic Games, though these are only handful. Why do you think our sports persons do not fare well in the Olympics? Also suggest some steps that should be taken to improve our country's performance in the Olympics. According to this, now prepare an article on the topic India's Olympic Dream. Dear students, here we end our today's session and this unit. Have a nice day. Thank you.